guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 50. Let's start reading. Your brother made me suffer a lot in order to snatch your credit. Of course, kagawa talaga ng yung kapatid niya. Para lang makuha ang pagiging crown prince. If you don't help me vent my anger, I won't let it go. Ganon? Leave her behind, and you can go. Okay. The crown prince of Dayao country never makes empty promises. Ano na naman kaya yung pag-uusapan nila? Ano naman kaya yung tawag nito, kapalit ng pagpapalaya sa kanya. Siya pa naman, si ano pa naman nagtulong sa'yo, si Bansha, para maligtas yung life mo. Tapos ganyan, savior mo siya. Yu Beiyi is still the same. The more he keeps silent, the more it makes me nervous. Nananervous pala siya. Ganun. Fool. Get close. Okay. What's wrong with this guy? King of Automall yet, diba? We'll see each other again. May pa ganun. May pa see each other again pa. Thank you for saving me. I will never forget it. Buti pa yung kapatid mo, marunong mag-thank you. Ikaw hindi. Ay, nakar. Baba na siya. Dismount. Walking far away. Now she's safe. Well, actually, safe naman din talaga siya doon kanina. Di naman siya inaano. Your Highness, I have something to report to you. Oh, diba? Pull up. Siyempre, kukunin siya. Love na love niya kaya si Bansha. For sure, ninenervyos lang. Tinatago niya lang. Let me go. I can walk by myself. Char. Walk pa, tapos makasama mo nakakabayo. Pahirapan mo pa sila mag-abang sa'yo. Sumakay ka na lang kasi. Your Highness, I'm your brother's fiancé. Cha. Treating your future sister-in-law like this? Aren't you afraid of being criticized by the world, brother-in-law? Aba? Pinoprovoke mo, ha? Brother-in-law? Uh-oh. Dark killing aura. Give in time. I should stop provoking him today, of course. Galit yarn, ninervyos nga yan sa safety mo, tapos pinovoke mo pa. I don't want to marry Prince Tuan. Let's join hands. Ano bang gagawin mo ngayon? Like non-Juhoy said, Yu Beiyi can... Non pala. Anong non? Like non-Juho? Juhoy? Basta. Yu Beiyi can be useful to me. Surprise! Of course, ngayon lang humingi ng tulong si Bansha, di ba? So, from dark killing aura, naging happy aura ang ating prince. Very quick. Hey, what I mean is, I don't want to marry Prince Tuan or anyone else. This time, Jinshi hired military personnel to kill me. They were wearing custom-made military boots. Yep. And then, whether they're privately raising mercenaries or using soldiers for personal gain, it can be used as evidence used by you. So, paano niya ipupull out yung ganyang evidence? Malalaman natin yan. Kahit ganyan, no? Kahit may mga freakouts siya, maganda naman siya. Diba? Lalo na talaga pag tinanggal niya yung mask niya. My maid captured a missionary hiding in the countryside inn. Your Highness can interrogate him anytime. O, diba? Ginamit niya. Magaling, magaling. Military boots. It's possible that they are Duke Jin's private soldiers. Ay, itong Jin na talaga na to, no? Pahirap sa buhay talaga tong mga family ng Jin. Okay, what's wrong? Parang may naalala siya or what? May naalala po siya. Speaking of which, the lead I'm investigating in the private mining case also point to a shop owned by Duke Jin. Could it be? Yup, that's it. Kaya siguro nag-ano sila, no, madali lang sa kanila magkungwaring bandits kasi they're really soldiers. So, what do you want me to do for you? O nga, ano bang gusto mong mangyari? What do you really want? 1. Fulfill the promise of cooperating to open a medical clinic. I will continue to treat the old master. So gusto niya ng medical clinic. O nga naman, para magamit naman niya yung medicinal skill niya. 2. Please help me spread the news of Prince Tuan and my sister's secret engagement throughout the capital. Oo nga, kasi yan yung gusto niya diba? Ipalabas na. Yung sister niya, yung gusto ni Prince Tuan at hindi siya. Make sure everyone knows that Prince Tuan and my sister have a secret engagement. As for the private affairs of my brother and your sister, I cannot interfere too much, but I can help you if necessary. So, paano? Paano may papalabas ngayon yan sa whole village na may secret affair yung dalawa? Magaling ka naman, kaya mo yan. I know you want to overthrow Jinshi, but she has Duke Jin and Imperial Concubine Jin backing her up. Do you have confidence? Ay, oo, Concubine Jin din pala, no? Don't worry, I have confidence. Determine. Sa ganda pa lang niya, may determinado na siya. Stare. So, magtititigan na lang kayo niyan, ganyan. What are you doing? Defensive. Of course, magiging defensive ang ate mo, girl. Is it my imagination? You seem much gentler now. Charot. Ito naman. Parang nafe-feel niyang ginagamit siya, no? Well, he's not a crown prince for nothing. Alright, next episode. So, preview na to for the next episode. So, ang iksi lang niya. Don't worry, I will always stand behind you. Of course. You love her so much. You're not alone. Yan nga lang, napaka-ironic nung nangyari sa past nila, no? Ngayon na sinasabi niyang, you're not alone. Alright, so the title of the next episode would be, I Will Always Stand Behind You. So stay tuned, everyone. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.